Just finished setting up your Ninja Thirsti, but it won't pour, won't fizz, or nothing responds. Here are the most common mistakes that block the system right out of the box and how to fix them fast. Step 1. Check that the water reservoir is seated properly. Pull off the tank and make sure it's filled with cold, filtered water. Then press it down onto the dock until it clicks flush. If it's tilted or misaligned, the machine won't work at all. No fizz, no flavor, no flow. Step 2. Fully install the CO2 canister. Open the back door and twist the CO2 canister to the right by hand until it stops turning. Don't use tools. And make sure you press it into the socket before closing the door. A loose or floating canister will block carbonation. Step 3. Install flavor drops the right way. Open the flavor carriage and insert the pod nozzle first, then snap it in until you hear a click. Do the same for a second pod if you want a combo. If you're setting up for the first time, I've linked a flavor drop starter pack below. It gives you more than one type to test, and it installs cleanly with the right seal. Step 4. Make sure the mixing chamber is raised. Inside the carriage, lift the mixing disc into the raised position. If it's down, the Thirsti can't run a cycle, even with everything else set up correctly. Step 5. Run a rinse cycle before your first drink. Place a 12-ounce cup on the tray. Then select still water, 12 aughs size, and press start. This primes the system and clears any startup air. Skipping this step can block flow or cause flavor dropout. If your Thirsti still isn't working after these steps, no buttons, no pour, no fizz, there may be a hardware issue or sensor fault. Contact Ninja support using the link in the description. If this helped you finish setup and get your Thirsti working right, subscribe to No Filler Fixes for more fast appliance help. And if you're just getting started, I've linked the Flavor Pod Variety Pack I used below. It helps you test flavor strength, flow, and combo detection right out of the box. Thanks for watching, and welcome to your first fix.